Welcome to another video on my Raspberry Pi 2 running Ubuntu Linux and the robot operating system. Connected to serial line for serial communication, obviously, but most importantly connected via band cable to this breadboard with some electronics and fischertechnik, where the purpose is that I use the robot operating system to address all of them separately. Also connected to via VNC to this MacBook, which has a backlight problem, so I'm using an external monitor to show everything. Also including an Android tablet to see if I can do things with VNC here as well. Currently nothing is shown here, but it is the idea that I do here some tests as well. Last time I managed to get the pins working via the ROS nodes. So I made the mistake there first to do it in the control instead of in the motor code. I fixed that, and now the point is, does everything indeed work the way it should? So for the rest, let's see if things work out. And ROS core works, control starting, motor starting, and then things should actually start working here. And then it helps, of course, when the wiring is active. So let me check on that. That doesn't quite work like that, so let me check and get back. Right, so now it's fixed, right there, using the schematics, motor in pin 16, GPIO 32, and the LED, not this LED by the way, but this LED in pin 10, which is GPIO 24. Do the others work? Well, currently not. Yeah, that is to say, they do work if I use LED wiring, then everything works. However, currently only the motor is being controlled. So I should now actually create a source code where I will address the rest. Will that work? Because that is where my previous experiments all went wrong. And I have made a lot of episodes about this, both working with Python, with Python as well. Now I have turned to C++, because my first experiments and experience with ROS was with C++. Will this work? I can only hope so. So now I know that this is working. I have to end this one, which is the motor, and like last time I notice that it doesn't stop immediately. And that is strange. Why won't it stop directly? I'm not quite sure. Another thing is, of course, that because this one is about pin 4, I only have to access pin 4. So when I start, for example, the red LED, this one, then I only have to do, which one actually? Pin 16, if I'm quite correct. Pin 18, that is. And which one of those is that one? Pin 18, that is this line. And only this one. So I can just as well copy the whole thing. Let me make a new tab. ls to show all programs. Then say, okay, I copy ft motor to ft red LED. Open red LED. Alright. And then I have to, which one is which, that is important now. Shorten this one. Because again, which one is which, that is '18 is the second one. And which one am I using? It doesn't really matter now, by the way. This is 4. Which one is 4 again? That is this to right to 4. Wait, here. So I have to use 5 now. So 5 it will be. 5 and 5. This of course will be red LED. Oh, that goes wrong. Alright. No. This one. Alright. This one will have to be renamed. Subscribe to control, that is correct. Control callback, that is correct. So now the question is, will this work? The only thing I can say is test. So then let me stop this one as well. This one still is not ended stopping, so that is curious. Let me first write this. Oh, this is FT red LED. That is not correct. Ooh, made the mistake there. So, yeah, no, that's not correct. Move FT red LED to red LED dot cpp. That is better. Now these things make sense as well. So let's check out if this new node works, but I probably will have to check for the settings as well. Well, in settings cmakelist.txt I have copied this part and renamed it to or changed everything to red LED. And now the question is, will it run? Well, I open a new tab. I will shift this one down a bit. And all I have to do is I can do it more secure to know that I have actually, yep, cat can make, of course. Will this work out? And now I have to go here also and rename the tab, because this is now red LED, while this is motor, and I don't want to be mistaken. And then this is obviously control. Why does this not go for control then? Name the tab. Apparently because it's only one window. Okay, so be it. And I should take care of 4 of the things out of memory. Oh, that's not good. It failed. For what? For what has it failed? The dependency target red LED does not exist. Really? Oh wait, am I doing something wrong here? No, this is all control. This is all motor. Add dependency. Then I go from here up. Nothing wrong here yet. Nothing wrong here. Nothing wrong here either. I already checked. So now let's make this make this list. Okay, yep. This is going to be package XML. Question is it useful? Does there exist anything in here which points to motor? As far as I can see now, it doesn't. So this one can go. This one I have to find out. Right, it has now actually built successfully, and the only thing I actually changed was this. To make a new subscriber called red_led_sub as opposed to motor sub. So now, question is, will everything work? And to check that, well, let's open a new tab. This is ROS score. This is motor. Let's see if that is still correct. No, let say FT motor. Yep. Let's call this ROS score. Entering a new tab for red LED. That should do it. Would this work? Well, we'll find out if I start control. Then I start LED. Oh wait, yeah, right. This is a new tab, so I have to source set up. Then I go and then it works. And see what happens. And then I also start the motor. And the motor starts. Oh wait, yeah, and it has the same delay. The motor has a delay because it needs to start, but the LED of course does not have to be that long. So let me, in the red LED, change this to 1 second. And this was also 1 second. Then quit this one. Also quit the motor. Quit control. And make. And then hopefully this works out for both of them, because they're still working now, although I quit them. Now everything is working. I start control, but can I start both? Not really. I can't start them. So what to do now? Open a third tab now. Call it PS. And then PS-EF grab for motor. And then I think I have to kill process 2856. That was it. Now I have to kill red LED. No, this one. Oh, that will have finished then? No, it's red LED. I wonder why that doesn't work. It's still going. So why is that not? Oh, and a typo. I want to do things nicely. So let's make again. Make. In the meantime, grab grab what? Oh yeah, it's compiling, of course. So, yeah, here it's done, except that it is not done here. So I really have to find a way to kill this, which is 2833. Gone. Control. Motor. LED. This blinks nicely and this runs nicely. So now I actually have two running nodes the way I want it. So that's a good result. Alright, now on the Mac, because of lack of space, can I do something more? Well, the point is, this is the C program, C++ program, in which I can control everything without ROS. The question is, can I do anything else? Well, obviously the answer is yes, but which one should I take? And then I want to take the fischertechnik LED, which should be then 6 probably. This way I can actually read something. So, oh yeah, that's this one. LED is 22, which is digital right here, 6. So I can put this out. Then I will have to cancel out the other ones. What will be the difference if I keep ROS running and I access this program just like it is? Let's see. That is LED, CPP. Okay, let's see. And then I want this active. Yeah, like this. And what happens, if anything? Oh, that could be interesting. No, not for you. I want the program to run. And I think I took a different LED than I assumed. Yeah, I took this LED instead of this one. But do they run at exactly the same time? That is the question. Yeah, and now it already happened, of course. I have to switch back and forth, unfortunately. And there's a delay as well, but it shows that it can be accessible. let's do it again, and hopefully quicker. So run, and this one burns, so that is good. Can I do it as well with the buttons? Most likely. So once again, no, I have to take this one and then press the button. So I come hands short. Right. Press, go, button. Yeah, that works. So they both work at the same time. And this has a delay because my hand has gone long now. Ah, there it goes. Delay in capturing. Anyway, this shows that it actually does work nicely. Both at the same time, but obviously this is all going to be a node, just like this red one and this motor, which still shows running, but it really isn't, although it is now. So, and with this test I want to end this video. So quite an improvement of what I had. Now I have two nodes which do exactly what they should do. One controlling the motor, one controlling an LED. And that should be extended soon. So for now, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show support by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired, and you can also choose to become a patron, and depending on the pledge you make, may have your name mentioned on my website or with my videos. This is going to be continued, obviously. For now, have a nice day and bye bye.